Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Disney Plus. We click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Disney Plus and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your Wi-Fi and you will turn off your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.